Welcome to the Cyber Mobility Insights. We're exploring how modern cars are built, not just as machines, but as networks of cutting-edge domains working in harmony. Let's shift gears and break down the 6 key systems shaping today's automobiles. First up, powertrain. This is the muscle of the car. In gas cars, it's the engine and transmission. For EVs, it's the battery, electric motor, and power electronics. Either way, this domain converts energy into motion. Next, the body domain. This isn't just about sleek designs, it's about safety and comfort. Think lightweight materials like aluminum, crash-resistant structures, LED lighting, and even automatic doors. The body keeps you safe, efficient, and looking sharp on the road. Underneath it all, the chassis. This is the car's skeleton, paired with suspension, brakes, and steering. Whether it's smoothing out bumps or nailing a tight corner, the chassis ensures stability, control, and a ride that feels just right. Now, step inside for connectivity. Modern cars are rolling smartphones. Infotainment screens, 5G hotspots, over-the-air updates, and voice assistants keep you plugged in. This domain turns your car into a tech hub on wheels. Let's get smarter with enthusiast advanced driver assistance systems. Cameras, radar, and LiDAR team up for features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic braking. enthusiast isn't just convenient, it's saving lives and paving the way for self-driving cars. Finally, the unsung hero, the gateway. Think of it as the car's central nervous system. This computer manages communication between all domains, linking your infotainment to the powertrain, enthusiast to the chassis, and more. Without it, none of these systems could work together seamlessly. So there you have it, 6 domains transforming cars into tech powerhouses. Which one blows your mind the most? Let us know below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the future of mobility. Thanks for watching and see you next time.